So lately, I story about this college nursing student from a certain school here in Cagayan de Oro that was bullied out of the issue nga nag-wear daw siya og nursing cap no sa like outside the hospital, and that is not usually a common practice, but gibully daw siya, and in effect sa bullying wala siguro niya nakaya, wala siya nakakope proper. In a way, nag-attempt siya og suicide. And of course, that's a problem na dili punta na gusto may tabo sa ato ang mga students, no? And it's a very sad scenario for that. And with that kind of scenario, I've always believed na kaning pag-prevent and pag-control and pag-educate sa bullying is or should start in the family. No, dapat ang education magsugod sa pamilya, because the primary parents should be able to educate, hone their children, no, in a way na makasabot sila sa ilang self, and of course makasabot sila sa situations sa other people nga dili sila maka-cause of harm, dili sila mahimong force for that person to do self-harm. And if a family is able to guide their children properly, I'm pretty sure na kaning bullying ma-prevent ni siya na mahitabo, not just within the family, let's say silang siblings, but also to the neighbors and to the community, and even to the school or to the workplace that they'll be put into.
Keep going.